Hey guys, today I'm back and making DIY dog treats. Plain flour, some bacon pieces, cheese, the dog's favourite, got beef flavour, Bentley's favourite beef, and some salt. Preheat the oven to about 180 degrees roughly. This is half a cup in the stock. Oops. Yeah, I want to post every Sunday as well, guys. It's coming out now. Oh no, it's leaking. Can't really see it. I've got this awesome tripod. Into the blender. Oh, I can't remember. So we're gonna dissolve that. Don't know how long that takes to dissolve because it's already like a liquid. Add all remaining ingredients. Oh wait, I've got the egg. 1 teaspoon of stock, which I'm not gonna hold up because it's got a leak in it. An egg. And you also need half a cup of boiling water for the stock to fill its stuffing. Then you need some salt, some cheese, and then I chose to add some little bacon pieces, but you can choose whatever. Oh, there's a flour. I want to do a Q&A, so if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. I don't know why I chose to do dog treats. I just love my dogs. So then we got half a cup. I like human food, so if you want to try it. Pieces. Doggies will love that. And 1 egg. So you just gotta get in there. And let's make some doggy treats. We get the doggies to try it right after, and they can be like the judges. And like so, repeat this until you've kind of used all of your mixture, dough sort of thing. They look more like dog vomit than dog treats, but hopefully they'll turn out fine. I'm just gonna put these in the oven for about 30 minutes and then we're done. How did it not take you long? How did you know I was cooking? How did you know? Anyway, I'm gonna let Bentley be the judge of them in a second. I'm just gonna let them cool down first, and you can try them. Yeah, you would like to try a treat. Okay, so I put them in the fridge for a little. They cool down a bit. I think they look fine. They look pretty good. Do you want to try a treat? Do you want to try it? There you go. Oh. Yeah, let's see if he likes it. Or if he's just gonna run away. Wait, Bentley, you need to try it. Can you not? Wait, Bentley. Hey guys, today I'm here with my friend Amber Shram, as you've seen in previous videos. And we're actually gonna try the new trend.